Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's going everybody. Welcome back. Today I want to talk about web hosting. So for you beginner out there that are still getting into the world of web hosting, you may be wondering what is web hosting. Web hosting is a service that allow individual and organization to make their website accessible on the internet. It's a crucial aspect of building and managing a website as it provides the necessary infrastructure and support for the website to be accessible by users around the world. When a website is created, it is built using a combination of coding language such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it is stored on a computer or a server. In order for the website to be accessible on the internet, it needs to be hosted on a server that is connected to the internet, and this is where web hosting come in. Now if you are in the market for a good, reliable, secure, and consistent web host, I recommended Ether hosting or Bluehost. Both of these web hosting services are very reliable, and these are my two most recommended. I personally like to use Hostinger, but I just wanted to give you guy an extra option if you are interested. Is Bluehost Ether? Why you I find the full review if you like to learn a little bit more about this web hosting service in the description. Don't value was well is linked to price and discount. Web hosting companies such as Hostinger and Bluehost provide a server that can store and manage website, and they also provide the necessary technical support and maintenance to ensure that the website always up and running. There are several different type of web hosting, each with its one unique feature and benefit. Let's start with shared hosting. Shared hosting is the most website and affordable type of web hosting. In a shared hosting, multiple websites are hosting on a single server, and the resources of the server are shared among all the websites. This is a great option for small business and personal websites that don't have a lot traffic or require a lot of resources. Now VPS hosting is more advanced type of web hosting that provides a greater control and flexibility. In VPS hosting, a website is hosted on a virtual server, which is a partition of physical server. This allows each website to have its one dedicated resources, and it allow provider more control over the server market, making it a great option for websites that have high traffic or more depending requirement. Next, you have dedicated hosting, and hosting does not provide dedicated hosting, so we are going to have to go to Bluehost for this. Here we have dedicated hosting. For this here we go to have a dedicated hosting right here, which is the most advanced and expensive type of web hosting. In dedicated hosting, a website is hosted on it one physical server. This provides the greatest level of control and resources, making it a great option for very large business or website that receive a lot of traffic, which is why it very expensive option. Cloud hosting is a new never type of web hosting that is become increasingly popular. A website is hosted on a network of servers that are connected to the internet. This provides greater scalability and flexibility as the website can automatically use more resources as needed. In addition to shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and cloud hosting, you also have e-commerce hosting and WordPress hosting, which are just more specialized type of web hosting. You can also find more type of web hosting depending on the web hosting provider that you are going with. For example, Hostinger has specialized hosting such as hosting for agencies, CyberPanel hosting, and Macrocraft server hosting. Thank you for watching.